Good morning, students. Last class we are already discussing about that is cartilage and bone. Today class we are going to discussing about muscle. Today class we are going to discussing about muscle. Today class we are going to discussing about muscle. Muscle. The muscles always exist in the form of long fibers. Long fibers. These long fibers are also known as myofibers. 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 The study of muscle is known as myology. The study of muscle is known as myology. Study of muscle is known as myology. The muscles always exist in the form of muscle bundles. These muscle bundles are consist of muscle fibers. These muscle fibers always long fibers. These muscle fibers also consist of muscle fibers consist of myofilaments, that is actin filaments and myosin filament, thin filaments and thick filament. Each muscle fiber it is indicate muscle cell. Each muscle fiber is indicate muscle cell. The movement of the muscle it is divided to three types of muscles. The movement based on the movement. The muscles are classified into three types. Based on the movement, the muscles are classified into three types. First one, skeletal muscle. What is the first one? Skeletal muscle. The second type of muscle, smooth muscle. The third type of muscle it is known as cardiac muscle. Based on the movement, the muscles are divided into three types. What is the first type? Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle. Okay, we are going to discussing about each and every one in the detailed manner. Okay, what is the first one? Skeletal muscle. Second one, smooth muscle. Third one, cardiac muscle. What is the third one? Cardiac muscle. First one, skeletal muscle. Second one, smooth muscle. Third one, cardiac muscle. First one, skeletal muscle. What is the first one? Skeletal muscle. Based on the movement, the muscles are divided into three types. First one, skeletal muscle. Second one, smooth muscle. Second one, smooth muscle. Third one, cardiac muscle. Third one, cardiac muscle. First one, skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle. What is the location of the skeletal muscle? The skeletal muscle means these muscles are located in the forelimbs, hind limbs. These are nothing but skeletal muscle. The muscle is connected to the bone. Is known as the skeletal muscle. The skeleton means related to the bone. The bone is connected to the muscle is known as the skeletal muscle. The long bones. What is the example or not? Long bones. Four limbs and hind limbs. Four limbs and hind limbs that indicate skeletal muscle, their location. The location of the smooth muscle. Location means
The smooth muscle, name itself meaning is there. Smooth muscle is located in the smooth organs, means visceral organs. No, smooth muscles are nothing but visceral organs. Visceral organs. Example of visceral organs: digestive tract or alimentary canal organs. Digestive tract, reproductive system, reproductive system, and also urinogenital tract, urinary tract. It is example for the smooth muscles are located. The cardiac muscles are only located in the cardiac muscle, name itself is there. The study of what is known as a cardiology. Only these muscles are only located in the within the heart. Located. What is the location? The cardiac muscles only located in the heart. Only located in the heart. Coming to the structure of the diagrammatic representation of the structure of skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle, it is always exist in the bundles and cylindrical shape. Bundles and cylindrical shape. It is always exist in bundles and cylindrical shape. Bundles and cylindrical shape. The skeletal muscle always, what is shape? Cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape. What is the shape of the skeletal muscle? Cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape. But unbranched. These are unbranched. Unbranched. Coming to the smooth muscles, it is always, what is the structure of the smooth muscle? The smooth muscle always exists in the form of spindle shape. Spindle shape. Spindle shape. Spindle shape. Not a cylindrical form. Spindle shape. Spindle shape. What is the shape of the smooth muscle? Spindle shape. Spindle shape. Coming to the cardiac muscle. Of cardiac muscle. The shape of the cardiac muscle, cylindrical and branched. 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 See here, the structure of the skeletal muscle, cylindrical and unbranched. It is a spindle shape, unbranched, cylindrical and branched. And unbranched. Unbranched. First one, coming to the skeletal muscle. Each skeletal muscle exists in the form of muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber indicate muscle cell. You can take one skeletal muscle cell. The skeletal muscle cell, the outer membrane is known as a sarcolemma. Sarcolemma. Sarcolemma means the plasma membrane of the muscle cell is known as sarcolemma. Inside the sarcolemma, each cell is filled with the sarcoplasm. The cytoplasm of the muscle cell is known as sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm means cytoplasm of the muscle cell. Cytoplasm of the muscle cell. Then take each muscle cell. It is filled with sarcolemma and sarcoplasmic reticulum. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is the storage of the calcium ions. If you observe the cytoplasm of the muscle cell of the skeletal muscle, the small striations are appear. The small striations. These striations are located. These striations are exist inside the cytoplasm. These striations are indicated. These striations are indicated. The cytoplasm consists of two proteins, thick proteins and thin proteins. Thick proteins are indicated. Thick proteins are indicate. The thick proteins are indicate myosin filaments. Thin proteins are indicate actin filaments. Thick proteins are the dark band. Okay, the light band indicate actin filaments. Okay, it is indicate dark band. Dark band. Dark band means myosin filament. Myosin protein. This thin band is indicate actin filaments or light band. Actin myosin. Actin myosin. Actin myosin. Thin protein, thick protein. Thin protein, thick proteins are present in the inside the cytoplasm of the skeletal muscle. Each cell consists of the number of the nucleus. Each cell consists of the multinucleated condition. It is indicated the skeletal muscle cell always multinucleate condition. Multinucleate means syncytium. One cell filled with more than one nucleus is known as a syncytium. This indicates multinucleated. Multinucleated. These are the multinucleated cells. But it indicates no striations are present in the cytoplasm. No striations. But cytoplasm is present. Cytoplasm is present. But no striations, no dark bands and light bands. Here, striations are absent. Striations are absent. These striations are only exhibited to the skeletal muscle and cardiac muscles. These striations are only shows with the help of dark bands and light bands. Dark band means myosin filaments, myosin protein. Light band means actin filament. Each cell consists of uninucleated condition. Uninucleated condition. Single nucleus is consist, but the skeletal muscle multi-nucleus. Each cell is consist of more than one nucleus, but the smooth muscles is consist of uninucleated condition. The dark bands, light bands are absent. Dark and light bands absent. Dark and light bands are absent. Dark light bands are absent. It is a uninucleated condition. Okay, now coming to the structure of the skeletal cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is cylindrical shape, branch. Cylindrical shape, branch. It is indicate sarcolemma. Inside the sarcolemma consists of sarcoplasm, means cytoplasm of the muscle cell. Okay, here also indicate the small striations appear in the exist in the skeletal muscle as well as cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is indicate skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle. Each muscle fiber, each muscle cell only consists of the single nucleus, uninucleated condition. Uninucleated condition. Nucleated condition. No. Cytoplasm is indicate dark band. Is indicate light band. Dark band means myosin protein. Light band means actin protein. Based on the actin and myosin proteins are present in the cytoplasm, it is exhibited. It shows small striations appear in the dark color as well as light color. And also, what is the specialty of the cardiac muscle? The cardiac muscles are participated to initiate transmission of the impulse at the time of the contraction and relaxation time. This impulse are transmitted with the help of intercalated discs are present. The intercalated discs are located between the one muscle fiber to the other muscle fiber. Okay, no? One muscle fiber with the intercalated discs. The small intercalated discs located in the intercalated discs. The intercalated discs. intercalated disc. These intercalated discs are nothing but gap junctions. Nothing but gap junctions. These gap junctions are helpful further to initiate the transmission impulse. Once they will initiate the transmission impulse, the ions, molecules, proteins, large proteins, they travel into the one muscle fiber to the other muscle fiber, the contraction of the heart. The contraction of the heart. It is a special character present in the intercalated, nothing but gap junctions located in the cardiac muscle. It is absent in smooth muscles and skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle, what is the function of the skeletal muscle? To maintain the body posture, the movement of the body one place to the other place with the help of change the position of the body. Change the position of the body posture. They are moved from the one place to the other place with the help of skeletal muscle. They are helpful for the movement. Okay, voluntary actions. The smooth muscles, they are helpful for the digestion process. They are helpful for the respiration process. They are helpful for the reproductive process. They are helpful for the and also urine transportation of urines also. The cardiac muscle, pumping of the blood. What is the function of the cardiac muscle? Pumping of the blood to the whole body parts. Pumping of the blood to the whole body parts. Coming to these skeletal muscles are, it is nothing but, these are the voluntary muscles. Voluntary, based on in our will. Okay, their movement. We are moving from one place to other place based on in our movement. These are the voluntary actions. The skeletal muscles are always voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means move one place to other place with the help of skeletal muscle. The smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. But both are indicate involuntary actions. They are not moved in one place. They are not helpful for the move one place to the other place, the body. They are helpful for the internal side. They will helpful. But the smooth muscle, the movement of the food particle, the pass into the the food particles are passed into the one digestive organ to the other digestive organ. The cardiac muscles also helpful for the pumping of the blood. The cardiac muscles are also helpful for the pumping of the blood. They are increasing the heartbeat, increasing the breathing rates. This all helpful at the internal side. Okay, they are nothing but involuntary actions. They are helpful for the involuntary muscles. But this skeletal muscle is nothing but voluntary muscles. Why they indicate voluntary muscles? The body, with the help of voluntary actions, the voluntary actions are, they will taken from the central nervous system only. With the help of voluntary actions, the skeletal muscles, they are helpful for the move one place to the other place. Move one place to the other place. Based on the movement, these muscles are classified into skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscles. Location, structure, arrangement of the nucleus, here multinucleated, here uninucleated, here uninucleated. Okay, here it is a cylindrical shape but unbranched. Spindle shape, unbranched. Cylindrical shape, branched. Cylindrical shape, branched. Location, long bones. Location, visceral organs or smooth organs. Cardiac muscle means only located within the heart. Only located within the heart. It is a story behind. It is related to the muscle. Related to the muscle. Thank you very much.